In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Scrum board in Jira. First, log into Jira and open the project you want to use. Next, go to Boards and select Create Board. Now choose Scrum as the board type. After that, choose whether you want to create the board from an existing project or from an existing saved filter. Enter a name for your board and select the project or filter you want to use. Next, click Create Board to finish the setup. Now, open the Scrum board and review the columns and statuses. After that, go to Board Settings and configure the columns, estimation method, and other options your team needs. Next, create a backlog by adding issues such as stories, tasks, and bugs. Move the issues you want to work on into a sprint and click Start Sprint when you're ready to begin. During the sprint, move issues across the board as work progresses and update their status. Finally, use the backlog and sprint reports to review progress and plan your next sprint. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Scrum board in Jira. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.